Hey, Neil, the mountains are back out for you. The mountains are out for you. Snow's almost gone.
Yeah.
This is my favorite drone footage of the entire trip. We went to the previous day we were running around in Moab and it was 100 degrees. We woke up in Colorado and it was 37 degrees and we were surrounded by these snow-capped mountains. That's Engineer Pass, by the way, on the right-hand side, at the top right there. Part of the Alpine Loop, which we do later in the day. But to wake up with snow, the guy in town told us it was their first snow of the year, and so we were lucky to have caught it. And by the time we got to the top of the mountain, which you'll see later, it was still there. Wow. Like I said, this is this is the best camping spot I've ever had. It was. I'm surprised these little camping areas weren't bought up decades ago and built on, but they weren't. And it's good because we got to pay our $10 and sleep there. It's county land. So you have to see in the background there, you got the snow-capped mountains right there. And that wasn't there the day before. We woke up with snow. And so I just feel super lucky that we got to experience that on this trip. So he said that, so not only is it the first snow of the year, but this is also the first day for that new school opening up. They were basically in a school that was like 100 years old before.
Oh, really?
So this is a big,
Brand new school?
Yeah. They have 67 kids in their class, and then another 12 that are doing virtual learning. Good morning, everyone. This is my last day in Colorado. Harry's definitely staying one more night here at least. He's up there in that corner of that little red dot over there, not the middle island, one to the left. Neil wants to stay like forever. So, I threw it out there that if I have to, I'll ride home. I think we found a compromise where he'll take me to Columbus, and then I'll ride home from there. Me riding home with the Machine Art Moto slipscreen without handguards and on knobby tires, that's going to be tough, especially on 80 mile an hour Kansas interstate. I don't want to do that. If I had knew this in advance, I would have packed my big V-Stream windscreen. I would have packed my little teeny tiny, inserts for this thing, and then I can put my suit on and just boom, hunker down on cruise control at 85 miles an hour. But I didn't. So, I'm hoping that he will agree to leave tonight. I've got work. That's all there is to it. Taking off for 2 whole weeks is all pretty audacious for me right now with everything going on with work. And so I'm glad I made the trip happen, but I can't linger. And I think both of them want to linger, and that's okay. They're older, different priorities, different things going on, but I can't linger. So today we're doing a 36-mile Alpine Loop. We're going to be doing Engineer Pass. We're going to be doing Cinnamon, Handy's Pass. Should be a good couple of 14,000 footer days. Should be done by 2 or 3. And then I'm able to load the bike up and leave. Or not load the bike up and just leave. This is Lake City, by the way. And this is day 6 or 7. Day 6, I think. This is Main Street, Lake City, by the way. Kind of the non-thoroughfare, but where all the old car motions take place. It's very pretty here. slightly technical because you've got a combination of we had a lot of rain last night, so you've got these deep bumps plus mud plus loose gravel and a little bit of a change in angle. Yeah, I think I missed it earlier, but this is the first snow of the year up here, of the season, not the year. And so this is like just exciting to see, like to be here for that. Wow. So cool to see this in person. Like literally the rocky mountains that are snow capped. It's so like, you know, your bag! Your bag! Yeah, we've got sheep down there. You can see them. They're kind of distant now. Hopefully Neil or Harry got them. So they're almost at the top. Got some snow right across the way. Holy shit, guys, look at this. Wow. Holy shit. I'm so glad it snowed yesterday. I'm so glad it snowed. Like, this is like perfect. Like, it just makes the getting up here so much more memorable to have the snow caps all filled in. Oh my god, guys. This is such a great last, like, into our first day right here. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Ooh, it's a little sloppy. A little bit sloppy. Oh, dude. Look at this. Picture again. You guys have no respect. If you can move it. Oh my God. You are looking at Harry on the left on top of Engineer Pass. Wow. Now, this is our last day of riding together, and I could not have thought of a more perfect summit and scenery. You guys got to go to Colorado. Wow, I mean, this was just too good. Look at that. Ouray is down there on the right, down there somewhere, if you're curious. And man, just, yeah. Very few people get to see this without a proper 4x4, and I'm so glad we got up here and experienced it.
Okay, going down Engineer Pass in the snow. Wow, it's cold, that's for sure, I'll tell you that. Take it easy up this climb. Icy. Fucking icy. You're gonna want traction on 7. There's some momentum. It's just fucking scary.
I need some more momentum. This is just like glacier. We got a lot of rain last night up here. And, well, not up here, snow. This is all snow. I just can't believe we're up here. Seriously. It's just like, I mean, 6 weeks ago, this trip wasn't even going to happen. I mean, I didn't know it was going to happen. I guess Harry was going to do it solo and was like, hey, you guys want to join me? I'm so glad we did. Harry's Tower of Power is rattling loose.
It's bouncing everywhere. He's been doing it for like 3 days.
Oh.
What is the teep? Okay, it's tightened.
A cutie. Hi, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Back door. It's probably the kitchen. The chimney. Living room with the first bay window in Colorado. Master bedroom, kids room.
Alright, by the way, this is Cinnamon Pass. And it's a little technical. Just gotta have some good balance as usual. And look out for the big ones, they're gonna buck you off. The sun's finally out. It's finally at 50 degrees. Look at the straggler. Please, guys, take care. Thank you. Hey. That was an old cam head, it looked like. Now we're doing the tail of Cinnamon, and we've got this like a 500-foot switchback drop here. It's pretty cool. And luckily, no traffic coming.
There we go. Here he comes. Hold it right there, don't move. What photo? Oh, framing the shot. We have to look like a pair.
Alright, we're coming down from the mountain now. We're going to go back to the campsite and talk about lunch options. It's, whoa, sorry about that. It's 2:24 p.m. And so our civilization was at 2:24 p.m. And my breakfast was, oh yeah, I had that breakfast like bowl, basically, like 2 pieces of sausage, 2 eggs, and some cheese and guacamole. It was good. At like 9, so it's time for some food. Look at this blue water. All the water coming off the mountains up here is like white. It doesn't have that orangey tint that Uray had. It's like this white water. Look at that. It's totally crystal clear. It's just a gorgeous water. And you can see how now within the summer, this is all subsided down. But right after the melt happens, this is all full of water. Just freaking love it, man. Well, that was our last ride, my last ride, and I'm gonna go get some food and answer some emails. That's the rest of my afternoon. I've got a lot of stuff to respond to, and then once that's done, hopefully we leave. The only thing I think I might do would be to leave. Like whenever Neil wants to stop for the night, I would stay on the bike and I would go start my iron butt, either 1,000 or 1,500. So he'd be my witness for the first of it, and then I would cross Colorado, Kansas, Missouri, and get in my 1,000 or 1,500 miles on the GS. And I'd be the first 1,500 to do it with knobbies, probably. Just thinking about it. I can always drive. I can ride tonight until 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning, and then get up in the morning at 6 or 7 and basically hop on and ride all day long and hit it. Just a thought. All right. I don't think this is the end of the video, though. There's probably something else that'll happen.